this video, we'll keep exploring all the possibilities that our favorite arpeggio has when it comes to improvisation. I'm talking about the minor 7 flat 5 that we already discussed on this channel, but today's approach will be much tastier, believe me. You will learn how to negotiate a whole minor 2/5 both harmonically and melodically, employing just one shape. So forget about stressful thinking, all the head rush that happens to our brains when we are dealing with jazz improvisation. I'm going to teach you a very simple trick to make your solos more fluent, to be more comfortable when playing minor tunes, and to have, more space in your computer to just thinking about beautiful things when you are playing instead of thinking about mathematics and complex formulas. So let's go. Let's start knowing our framework today. That will be a minor 2/5-1 in the key of C minor. And we are going to negotiate all of the chords in this progression employing just one shape. For the first chord, we get this position and then we move it a minor third away for the dominant chord and a major third away for the minor chord. So we have minor 7 flat 5, alto dominant, and minor sixth. The first thing we can do to change a little bit is just ornament the first chord. For example, if we are playing this and adding an 11th, we can do the same trick on all the chords. Then we can change our minor third by our natural 9 and enter in the V11 zone and apply to the three chords. Another beautiful embellishment is moving our third, instead of going to the 9th, moving it to the 11th. It's a great idea to mix all of the approaches and gain some movement inside the voices of the chords. For example, but the real sauce came when we are employing inversions and we have access to changing the direction of our comping, our lines, etc. Let's try not to move too much from our first position and play all of the chords. We will be having something like this. Now we will be doing the same but on the first inversion of the first chord. So if we are here, we move here and play the three chords. Let's do the same on the second inversion. And finally the third inversion. And it goes like this. As you are probably guessing, it's a great idea to move this exercise to the first group of strings. In some of these inversions, the voice leading is very interesting. For example, in this one, we got a common tone on the upper string, and it's interesting to apply it when you are soloing and when you are building a motif or anything like that. And finally, great news to end up this video. everything that works harmonically works melodically. So you can apply all your scale tricks, arpeggio tricks to this progression, thinking on the same chord, just moving it by minor third and then major third. Listen to this. I'm just playing a descending minor 7 flat 5 arpeggio for each of the chords. Don't worry, you don't have to shred the whole arpeggio to make it sound beautiful. You can start with just 3 notes and move it to the corresponding shapes. The most important thing here is to actually hear the changes when you are playing the same shape through the different arpeggios. Now it's time for you to employ all of your imagination to find ways of breaking down these scales and arpeggios and make them sound not just like a cold exercise, but instead like beautiful music trying to connect ideas from all of the shapes. Think about what Jim Hall would do with this information. Hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, you got all the PDFs available on my website for free, so check them out. See you in the next one.